Hey there, video creators! Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a simple method to remove watermarks from your videos using AI, and the best part, it won't cost you a penny. Let's jump right in. First, let's launch Chrome. Next, head over to powersoft.com by search into the search bar. Find until you find Watermark Remover. Click on Watermark Remover. For video watermark removal, click on Remove Video Watermark. Select the video from which you want to remove the watermark. Next, adjust the area of the watermark to ensure accurate removal. Now, click on Erase to remove the watermark. Let's give it a moment to process. And there you have it. Your video with the watermark removed is ready. Simply click on Download to save it to your device. And that's how you can effortlessly remove watermarks from your videos using AI for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!